how talented you are. If you don't have a loyal fan base that will go to bat for you, you will never get the ultimate prize. It has nothing to do with how well you do on stage, no matter how great a performer you are. So those of you who are getting into your feelings about another man's paycheck, stop it right now. Daddy Roy, I-Roy, Kingston, Big Youth, Dillinger, they did it for the love until they realized they could get paid. The artists before Yellowman did not make money until Yellowman came and changed the game. Dancehall went global. He made that possible. Then came Ninjaman and Shabba, and we got even bigger money. Buju and Cobra's arrival garnered an even bigger paycheck. But it did not stop there. Bounty and Beanie set the bar even higher. And just when everyone thought these were the glory days, here comes Vybz Kartel, straight from behind prison walls, and shattered everything by raising the bar so high that dancehall is getting back the respect it deserves. I would like to see everyone making big money.